been on the bike in a long time, guys. What is up, boys and girls? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you liked my last post. I got that Lego set from a subscriber. Shout out to my subscribers. And guys, talking about subscribers, I've now reached 1,000. You know, it's really crazy. Like, I know I started this a while ago, like maybe 2 years ago, but like, man, thank you for all of you guys that still, you know, stay tuned in with me, subscribed, you know, check out the new gloves from Revit. Alright guys, let's go to UPS. I feel like this is the only time when I ride, when I need to drop off parts, you know, but we here. Oh my god, a bug just hit my screen, bro. How has everyone been, bro? I literally haven't been on the bike in so long because it's been rainy as shit or cold as shit here in Virginia. Like, it's just one or the other. And I still ride in the winter too, so like, but it's just been a little bit too chilly, you know what I'm saying? Because like, I work in the morning and stuff, so I'll be getting up like 5 a.m. and I do not want to ride like that early in the morning, you know? Look at these D-cells though. Yeah guys, you know, I've been busy with work too, you know, just trying, man. But I thank you though, like 1,000 subscribers, like I could not fathom that. Like, I never thought that I'd get to 1,000, and now I guess it's up to 2,000, you know, and then so 5K, you know. Hopefully this channel grows, but you know, I'm kind of still small named, a very small named. But I thank you, because if you really think about it, 1,000 people that subscribe to you, that's a lot of people, you know. Like, you don't even know that many people in your life, you know. Like, you probably encountered that many people, but ain't no way you know all their names, you know. So I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm gonna try to pump out videos, you know. I pump them out every Saturday, 7 a.m. That's when I, like, you know, finish the edits, and then I don't know if you noticed, but my videos are a little late, you know, as in like timeline wise. Like, right now is almost New Year's, you know. Almost New Year's for me, you know what I'm saying? So Christmas has already passed. why I stood there. But yeah, so what was I saying? Yeah, my videos are a little later, you know, so it's the 29th, something like that. 28th, 27th. Nah, it's 29th for sure. Just pumped up the airs too. People are just weird, bro. I don't know here in Virginia, bro. Go in here real quick.
I think
How you doing, man? Just dropping 3 packages off, so this one got that, and this one, and that one will be this. Quick ride to the UPS store. Real quick. Something's weird here. Oh, that's why. It's on drive mode 4. Oh my god, I need a red light to come up so I can switch this shit. That's why I was like, I was booking on it. I'm like, yo, it's not even going. Oh my god, I'm a dumbass. I'm like, bro, there's something, did I do something wrong? Is the bike broken? Well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. You know, it's been a long time, man. I'm gonna try to post more in this winter, but no promises, because I cannot control the weather, you know. This is where I bought my bike, and I will never take it back here again. It's a little kid, man. Gotta, you know. Ah! Pro. Ow. What the hell? My head. Guys, thank you for tuning in. Have a good one.